He's the Malak.
Ah, Al Malak.
This means the boss of.
Tonight I'm coming to pay a visit to a public health hospital called Afghan Fores. So this place that you're seeing is the National Park of Kabul. What the hell? So you got these little kids here. So they're selling eggs. I randomly got invited to this wedding. Come to my wedding, brother, come to my wedding. I said, you know what, I'm gonna come to the wedding.
This will all be related.
Okay. I put myself in the most poorest side and the poorest neighborhood of Afghanistan, going to the wealthiest and the rich side of Afghanistan. So yeah, I've experienced literally almost as much as I could. And today I am in Paghman, which is right near Kabul. So this is like a luxurious type of house. You've got a swimming pool on the left hand side here, and you've got a huge house which is endless. So we're gonna go check out the interior and see what it's like. With Afghani culture, every single house has a guest house. So these are what the guest house looks like. Any friends, family comes, they welcome them here. They can stay here, stay as long as they want, enjoy themselves, the company, have tea, breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever you wanna see it as. But yeah, this is what they do. This is the strong Afghan culture. Really interesting. I mean, I really admire what they do here. This place is massive. Oh, upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs and check out the place. It's what?
My house.
See, it's his house. See, this guy's got like 5 houses, my friend. Oh, sorry, no recording. Okay. What? Yo. Oh. Oh, okay, let me put this back on. Let me put my slippers back on. So you've got the guest house behind me, and here you've got the living room. You've got table tennis, you've got snooker, you've got the games area, it's like a games area, the TV. I mean, this is massive. Who thought Afghanistan looks like this? I mean, you know, as you all know, in every country you have the rich side, the poor side. But when you want to come and check out the rich side, this is what it looks like. So let's go up these spiral staircase and see what surprise we're gonna see. Bloody insane. What the hell? What is this? This is crazy.
This is the meeting hall.
The meeting hall.
Yes.
This is insane. Look how massive this place is. It's like everywhere. So every huge space symbolizes something different. So the meeting hall, you got the guest room downstairs, you got the long balcony going from here all the way to the side here. I mean, this place is just, I think it's too big. You can imagine the amount of cleaning they got to do as well. I mean, you have to hire somebody for this. Bloody hell, let's go to the next room. Oh my god, I'm done. What the hell? What the hell is this?
It's a sleeping hall.
It's a sleeping hall, you know. Not even a sleeping bedroom, a sleeping hall. Bloody hell. Wow. Yeah, I think I feel like I've seen everything already.
Eating room.
The kitchen!
Yeah, no kitchen.
No kitchen!
No. Eating.
Eating room.
They don't call this a kitchen, they call this an eating room.
Yeah.
Eating room.
Eating room! Okay, living room, a dinner hall, dining hall. There. There's the kitchen. The kitchen's in here. Okay, fair enough. Look at this park called Kasri Bagman. So this place that you're seeing is the National Park of Kabul. And what people do here, especially for New Year's, they celebrate it right here. So beautiful, right? It's well taken care of. Everyone can come, but you got to pay a fee. To come to this national park, if you're a local, you're paying 30p. Now, if you're a tourist like me, you're paying £5. There's a huge gap right there. So let's see if this is worth the money. Ah, yeah, you know what? It is worth the money. I mean, we're paying for the local people. We're paying for their service. So I mean, it's perfectly fine, and it's okay anyways because the money here is equivalent to their living lifestyle. And for us, whoever is from overseas, this is perfectly fine. The price is fine, so don't complain. I think it's good. It's supposed to be like that. Imagine a local's paying what, £5. Of course, it's not fair. So you got these little kids here. Let me see. So they're selling eggs with salt. So it's part of the service. Oh, so nice. I mean, the kids have free entry here, which is good. So they can make their little monies. Spoke to some local people here. They said they like coming here because it's peaceful. All good. Yeah, just to update you guys as well. Literally wherever you go, there's loads of checkpoints. It can get a bit annoying. You just got to be a bit patient. This is their country. They got to be really kind of like secure about who comes in and out. Because remember, they've had 14 years of war. But yeah, I mean, even though they've had that much going on, the Taliban's here. They are everywhere, every corner. I've seen someone top of the restaurant with a sniper and a little tent. It's like, rah, they're really securing every place. They're like a human CCTV camera. So all I can say is you have to respect the place. They've got their own rules, and I mean, at the end of the day, everyone's open to their own opinion, but it doesn't mean it's going to change. Just deal with it, whether you like it or not. Just shut up and keep it moving. If you wanna argue with them, then you might not come back out of this country. But yeah, it's been intense here, and it's been really nice. There's been pros and cons here, but loads of good side of things. But now all I can say is, when it comes to these kind of places here, you don't get them around here. Just enjoy the view. Another thing about this area as well, another word of advice: you can't dance around this place because the Taliban's are here. My bad. I didn't think they was here, but they are here. So you can't dance or do anything out of their own ordinary for them in their eyes. You just have to walk and talk, eat, chill, sleep, and that's it. I'm at London Palace. I randomly got invited to this wedding just because I was on a road trip. I saw random guys dancing on the street. I joined them and they said, you know what? Come to my wedding, brother, come to my wedding. I said, you know what? I'm gonna come to the wedding. Yes! Yes, bro! So, yeah, I'm gonna try and do a bit of the dancing. I ain't done no practicing, but I'm gonna see how it goes. So it should be fun. I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this. Yes, big man. Salam, big man. Yeah. There we go.
What's up, Stafa? What's going on?
Hey!
Welcome, Stafa. Stafa, welcome. How are you, man? Are you good, sir?
I'm good. Thank you. Welcome. Thanks for inviting me. Salam.
No problem, sir.
How are you?
Salam. Alhamdulillah.
Welcome, brother.
Hey, welcome, young king.
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you again. Of course. How you doing? Assalamu alaikum.
Stafa, you want to go inside?
Yeah, let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Come.
Let's check this out.
You come just right now?
Yeah, just now.
Okay, that's good, man. Just follow me.
Wow, so the wedding venue is, wow, it's beautiful.
Yeah, man. This is a wonderful place.
I can tell, white and gold, bright lights.
Yeah.
Is this normal Afghan wedding like this?
Yeah, normal.
Look at that, look at the interior. Assalamu alaikum.
Steph, are you good?
Yeah, I'm really good.
Man?
Oh yeah, this place.
Assalamu
alaikum.
YouTuber khuna daga Pakistan wala.
Stafa.
Welcome to Kabul.
Yeah, Mustafa Khan.
Mustafa Khan Kamal.
Nice to meet you. Okay.
This is the place
All right.
where you want to stay for your comfort for yourself. It's okay.
Nice,
It doesn't
nice.
matter.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, it's good.
If you need anything,
Yeah.
just let us. No problem. Okay.
Oh, no, definitely. No, thanks for inviting me.
No problem, sir. This is your place.
Unexpected.
Yeah, because you were a guest.
Yes.
We try to make you happy. That's it, sir.
Thank you very much.
We
Thank
have
you.
guys. They know English. It doesn't matter. Okay. They can help you anytime.
Oh, perfect. English, no English. I'll get along.
Okay, that's it. Mustafa, come here. Get your rest, man. Just help him, okay?
What's your name?
Just throw some letters. Yeah.
No, you're not.
Yeah, Mustafa.
He's also Mustafa.
Mine's Mustafa too.
Same shit.
Ah,
This
Mustafa
is
what?
Makan.
Perfect.
Mustafa what?
Mustafa Saidi.
Mustafa Khan.
Yes, you're Mustafa.
So just give me the hat. Let me see.
Yeah, well, Trump.
How do I look? Oh my goodness.
Oh, you're looking so nice.
Yeah?
Yeah. This is our traditional turban. Yeah? Turban.
Done already?
Afghan turban.
What does it look like I'm getting married?
Here's Malak.
Malik.
Yeah, he's the Malak.
Ah, Malik.
This is the boss of
The king.
turban.
Boss of the turbans. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. This is quite heavy for my head. I'm gonna swap. Thank you.
This is 50 years old.
Who?
He can carry it very well. Yeah.
Wow. So I can't really say it too loud, but for all the men section, they can't play music because it's against their religion. But the women can play music because they don't get to do nothing or have any freedom to do it that much, as I was told. So it's a bit interesting. I don't know what to say about that. So yeah, we left because I've got a lot of shopping to do, and hopefully I do come back a bit later on and spend some more time with the brothers. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and man, don't know if you've seen that food challenge I had. My belly's been running for 2 days straight and it's not looking good. I'll just be careful, don't ever try doing what I've done. Tonight I'm coming to pay a visit to Khan's Fast Food. Let's check out and see what's about. Damn, I mean, Afghanistan restaurants looking alright, you know. Is this what a fast food restaurant looks like? Let's check out the place. Okay, not so bad, not so bad. This is the fast food restaurant dining area. Does not look like a fast food restaurant, you know. It looks like a fancy restaurant. Pretty room.
This is the birthday room.
Oh, the birthday room.
Yeah, special for birthday.
Okay, let's check it out. Let's see. Excuse me. Ah, the birthday room. All right, so they do events here, special events.
Special events. Yeah.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday. All right then. When did you open this restaurant?
3 years. It's about 3 years. It was our first restaurant that we make it fast food, and at the beginning we faced some problems, but now we grow up and we are happy here. And now we want to add some more menus. It's less. We want to add some more menus, and also we have a delivery system. It's the first restaurant that have a delivery system. They're delivering it to homes whenever they need anything.
What's the name of the delivery company?
This fast food.
Oh, it's called fast food?
Yeah, fast
Oh,
food.
so it's not an application you need to download to kind of get the service, like Deliveroo.
Yeah.
Nice to meet Ahmed, Mustafa.
بسیار زیاد خوشحال شدم از اینکه شما معرفی شدیم.
So happy that to meet you.
Oh, thank you. No, thank you very much. Perfect. Let's go upstairs. Bro, I am so tired. Let's eat, boys. Let's dig in, dig in. Burger. How does it taste?
Yeah, it was so delicious.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's good? Very good? Nice. You? Okay. Mr. Wasim. Look, you putting ketchup on the pizza.
This hotel, all video deleted.
Okay. Guys, we're in this public health hospital called Afghan Fores. We're gonna check it out. So it's all public health. They all help a lot of people. People that can't really afford things, they're here to, you know, contribute and help out a lot of people as well. So yeah, as you can see, by looking at the photos, giving birth, any heart problems for the baby. So it's a general surgery room. Up here is, as you can see, tell by the picture, ENT, ears, nose and throat. Offering pediatric and medicine.
All the branches available here. Operation theater, you know, stomach and sore throat, here, you know, everything is available here.
Is it expensive?
وإذا قيمت دي كارزان دي شدا كرنا تسوكا.
اوس کوم کار نه وي د مو د سید پر ځان سیستم کې کار نه ولا
So this hospital is new right now, so it's a cheap now. So we'll see that what will happen in the future.
So it's more affordable for the public that can't really afford too much.
Yeah, it's affordable right now.
Okay, that's really good. That's really good. Okay, and what kind of patients does he get? Quite a lot.
Those people who are hair planting.
Hair transplant. Okay.
Child birth here.
Childbirth, hair transplant.
Yeah, and many more patients are coming here.
Okay. All right, guys. It's pretty interesting stuff here. I can't really say that much because my battery is really low. It's on 2%. Apart from that, they do offer public health and certain services like this, and it's really affordable. It's definitely thumbs up as he's looking after the community and stuff. So we need more people like him to provide multiple service like this. But apart from that, guys, hope you lot enjoyed the video and drop a comment down below if there's any other questions you'd like to ask me. Peace, guys, and I am off. Goodbye, Afghanistan. Thanks for having me. Hospitality was on point, and hope to see you guys soon again.